the very glamorous Pooja Kamal, known for her role in Palampur Express, Sasural Genda Phool, which is of course a popular show, and she's also a very popular television host. Please join me on stage, Pooja, to present the first award for the evening.
Thank you, Umesh. Thank you. You're looking lovely.
You're looking absolutely breathtaking, Pooja.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. I hope you all are having fun. And thank you, Umesh. It's a wonderful occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, today, let me tell you, Umesh completes his 1,000th show after having performed in 35 countries all over the world. So a huge round of applause. What better to celebrate than more than 1,000 gorgeous people clapping for Umesh? So please, let's hear it for him.
Thank you so much, Pooja. And all I can say is I want to thank one person, my mom. My mom, are you around? There, yeah, that's my mom. Mom, please stand up so everybody can see you. That's my gorgeous mom. And it's all thanks to her that here I am today. Thank you, Mama.
1,000th show. Amazing. Congratulations. Okay. Well, I'm truly delighted to be a part of this extravagant evening. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming distinguished guest, Mr. Sabri Aryan, Consul General of Turkey, Mr. Shatay Danyolaj, GAMAC Group of Companies, Captain S.M. Hulbe, Chairman Masa, and the Indian television sensation, Devolina Bhattacharya, who is currently playing the ideal Bahu in the top-rated show on Star Plus, Saath Nibhana Satya. Inviting you all to please join us on stage, and please let's hear it for all these wonderful people.
Welcome, sir.
The track from the Turkish drama series Feriha was specially played for our friends from Turkey. It is a personal favorite too, honestly. Ladies and gentlemen, the Sailor Today's Seashore Awards is a unique platform of possibilities. Each year, the most popular and loved actors and performers from the glamour world of cinema and television are given the rare privilege of honoring the daring, the brave, and courageous people of the sea. People who have made a real contribution to life. This is the only show in the world where this reversal of roles is possible. Welcome to
Welcome to the show, of course. Would you like to say a few words, please, for us? Starting with you, sir, please.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Pleasure to be here. Firstly, let me start by wishing Senior Mr. Nangia many, many happy returns of the day. Also, in a lighter vein, thank you, Mother of Umesh. He's doing a good job. You should be proud.
Oh, thank you, sir. Wow, thank you.
It's a grand evening dedicated to the seafarer, and it is quite a task which Captain Nangia and Sailor Today has achieved over the last 15 years, that very regularly this day or this event is celebrated, and that too with a lot of glamour, which is not what seafaring profession is at all. It's a very hard, arduous, and a difficult one, but glamour is always welcome. Thank you very much. Enjoy the show.
Dear guests, friends, business partners, and the Sailor Today family, I'd like to convey my special gratitude to all of you to allow me to be here tonight, with special thanks again to the guests for their participation in Sailor Today's big efforts to establish such beautiful event in this wonderful Mumbai night. I'm so much honored to be here tonight. As GAMAC Group, we will continue our contribution to support and encourage Sailor Today, which in my point of view, managing a difficult task to establish blending marine industry, in brackets, which is having dire times as of today, and having joy. I wish you a great night. Thank you.
few words from you, please.
Good evening. First of all, I really like to thank Mazir and Monisha for inviting me and for giving me this opportunity to be a part of it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And the first award tonight, ladies and gentlemen, is about ensuring seafarers' well-being on board and ashore, providing a positive living and working environment that contributes to safe working practices, reduced injuries, better safety outcomes, employee satisfaction, and ultimately employee retention.
Well, I believe it is said, train people well enough so they can leave, but treat them well enough so they don't. This principle of taking care of your people is at the heart of creating a great place to work, where people are appreciated, engaged, productive, and thriving. In our fast-paced, stressful world, it should be a priority to help your people and look after your people, right?
Absolutely. And the company that is a shining example, ladies and gentlemen, of all these attributes and much more is a company whose vision is to operate clean, safe, and happy ships. This concept of happy ships is something that is not very common or often used when it comes to serious business of ship management operations. Here is a company that truly believes that its people should feel happy about doing their job. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the 15th Sailor Today Seashore Awards 2016 for Seafarer Welfare is Union Marine Management Services. May I call upon Mr. Vinay Gupta to please come on stage to accept this much coveted award.
Congratulations. Congratulations, sir. Here. We would love to hear a few words from you.
Good evening. It's such an honor. Thank you so much. Happy Ships was a concept that we envisioned about 4 years back when we started this company. Today, the jury of Sailor Today made us feel that we were on the right track. We are on the right track. Thank you so much. I'm speechless, but yeah, thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, our next award is all about bringing an element of novelty and freshness, which is so crucial to the success of any idea. This is all about applying better solutions that meet the requirements of this industry effectively.
Ladies and gentlemen, here is an example of excellence in Indian coastal operations. India, with a vast coastline and fairly large network of inland waterways, has immense potential to increase the share of domestic transportation. Ships are required to take initiatives to provide cheaper and cleaner transportation services. Such an initiative has been taken by this company.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner for Most Innovative Coastal Operator is Link Shipping and Management Services, who are now running Ro-Ro service between Adani Hazira and New Mangalore Port. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Inviting Captain S.P. Rao to please join us on stage to receive this prestigious award.
S.P. Rao, please. Congratulations. Congratulations, and a few words from you, please.
Well, now, after a long struggle of last 2 decades, the government of India has taken a lot of interest to improve the coastal services. And believe me or not, I'm proud being part of the Association of Coastal Confederation. But this prize is not me who is receiving. This is Captain Kamath. Today he is not being here. He has asked me to represent him on behalf of Coastal Conference, and I'm receiving this prize. Thanks a lot to Sailor today, and I congratulate them and keep having this function every year and year on. Thank you. Congratulations once again.
Thank you.
Congratulations, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, our next award celebrates the achievements of the entrepreneur who occupies a central position in any industry. For it's the entrepreneur who serves as a spark plug in the economy's engine.
We take pride in awarding, encouraging, and motivating this unique skill. Entrepreneurs are a nation's treasure, and with his global contribution in the field of simulation, our winner truly deserves to be widely acknowledged.
Ladies and gentlemen, the entrepreneur of the year is the simulation genius of our nation, Mr. Shravan Rewari, son of late Captain SSS Rewari and Mrs. Amarjeet Rewari, living up to his name, Shravan in the true sense. We'd like to invite his dear mother, Mrs. Rewari, to come up on stage to accept the award on his behalf.
Congratulations, Mrs. Rewari.
May we have a picture, please? Yeah.
A few words from you, please.
It's an honor to be here. It's a very, very special moment for me. I've always been proud of being a seafarer's wife and a seafarer's mother, and being associated with seafarers over 50 years. When Shravan stopped sailing, there were questions about wisdom of the decision. When he went for studies abroad, again there were doubts and questions. I'm glad he listened to his heart and had trust in his instinct and followed his heart, and I'm here to receive this on his behalf today. Thank you.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, ma'am, and thank you again. Please join in the picture, please. If give only more, please.
Thank you.
so much.
Thank you.
Please. Careful. This would be better from here, please. Yeah. Yes. Wow, are you guys having a good time? Yes? Let me hear a nice loud cheer. Yes? Woo! Wow. Moving on. A shared vision in teams and organizations can fill us with hope and inspire new possibilities. A shared vision converts any association to our association.
It creates excitement and encourages new ways of thinking and acting. You may think that this all sounds wonderful but will never happen, but trust me, it actually does.
Yes, and the association that walked that extra mile to make things happen is none other than the National Union of Seafarers of India, popularly called NUSI.
Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Lucy, requesting Mr. Abdul Ghani Sarang to please join us on stage.
थोड़ा पकड़ेंगे जरा. I need it back, huh? Yeah, sure. It's a pleasure. Let me take this award on behalf of my whole team. My colleagues from the NUSI are also here. My president, Captain Hiranandani, could not make it, but we all here, we share this occasion. And this is the third time NUSI is getting this award. And let me tell you, in my tenure as the General Secretary, the first time I got this sort of acknowledgement was from the Sailor Today. That was some years back, and I really cherish it. And we do things in welfare of the seafarers, but let me put on record the appreciation. Nothing would have been possible if we did not get the support of the ship owners. So it's a collective effort, along with the ship ownership managers and NUSI, and with the appreciation and the acknowledgement of the government of India, we have got this, we have come this far, and it is for the welfare of the benefit of the seafarers and their families whom we proudly represent. Thank you. But before I give back the mic and I take back my award, let me say a few words. थोड़ा शायरी हो जाए ना? होएगे नहीं? Yeah, was. First of all, सीफेयर्स की लाइफ में कि हम लहरों को चुनौती देते हैं, तूफानों से टक्कर लेते हैं, लहरों को चुनौती देते हैं, तूफानों से टक्कर लेते हैं, अपनों से दूर हम रहते हैं और भारत की शान बढ़ाते हैं, अपनों से दूर हम रहते हैं, भारत की शान बढ़ाते हैं, भारत की शान बढ़ाते हैं. और सेलर टुडे के लिए मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि सेलर टुडे का अवार्ड जरा है हटके. सेलर टुडे का अवार्ड आप देख ही रहे हैं ना, हटके है कि नहीं? नहीं है. सेलर टुडे का अवार्ड जरा है हटके. यहाँ पर नाज है, जोश है, हुस्न है और है काफ़ी झटके. यहाँ पर नाज है, होश है, जोश है, हुस्न है और है काफ़ी झटके. खबरदार भाई लोग, खबरदार भाई लोग, फेसबुक पे अगर त्योहार फुटवा आ गया तो घर पे पड़ेंगे फटके. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. That was truly inspiring. Thank you. Wow, thank you, Pooja. It was wonderful having you. Ladies and gentlemen, hope you're having a great time. Enjoy this performance showcasing one of the best known faces on Indian television, star of Sasural Genda Phool, Tu Mera Hero, Dostiyan Yariyan, Man Marziyan. Give it up, ladies and gentlemen, for Ridhima Tiwari.
Woohoo! Thank you so much.
What it do, baby boy? Yeah, little mama, you looking good. I see you wanna play with a player from the hood. Come holler at me, you got it like that. I'm reaching for your shirt, what you want me to do?
I'm telling you to loosen up my buttons, baby, but you keep frontin'. Say what you gon' do to me, but I ain't seen nothing. I'm telling you to loosen up my buttons, baby, but you keep frontin'. Say what you gon' do to me, but I ain't seen nothing. You gon' do to me, but I ain't seen nothing. All the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies, now put your hands up.
applause for Ridhima Tiwari and her team, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, that was mind-blowing. And I didn't hear you guys clap loud enough for Pooja Kawal. Let's give a nice round of applause for our very gorgeous, very own Pooja Kawal. Ladies and gentlemen, the theme from the motion picture Titanic playing today is a tribute to the legendary composer James Horner. Ladies and gentlemen, gives me great pleasure once again to invite another sensational beauty on stage, the very talented Aradhana Nayar of Femina Miss India fame, who is the current face of Planet Bollywood on Zoom TV channel. Can we have a huge round of applause for the very gorgeous Aradhana Nayar as she gets on the ramp?
Thank you, Umesh, for the lovely introduction, and you look very handsome too.
Thank you so much. You're looking absolutely mind-blowing.
Thank you. A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I can see you all are having an awesome time. So please join me in welcoming our honorable guests, Mr. Rajesh Bajpai, Vice Consul General of Belgium, Ms. Pinky Ahluwalia, Mrs. Despina, and Mr. Socrates Tototheo, our friends from Greece.
Welcome.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the most beautiful Thoral Rasputra, famous for the lead role of Anandi on the super hit show